So my wife and I had to travel to Erie, Pennsylvania in the winter time. Oh joy. And when we got back, I don't know whether I was lazy, weak, or otherwise screwed up, I messed up my car pulling the luggage out. So I thought, oh, I'll get that protective cover thing, you know, with the flap that comes out and protects it so that when I'm either weak, lazy, or otherwise not paying attention, I won't mess up my car. And I think the paint's supposed to arrive today. I need primer, color, and clear coat. Yeah, it's a big deal. So anyway, I got the protective cover, and it is 31435694 for the XC90. The instructions are 31470000. If you want to look them up yourself. Now the only thing I did not do is I did not cut into it to allow access to the items that are off to the side, like if you want to hook up a cargo net or something, those little tabs. I didn't cut out to access those. Alright, so I'm all done. I tried making a video and I tried putting it in backwards, and that was a nightmare, and then putting in all the 14 snaps. So now it's turning into an overview of what I did. So let me grab the trunk here. Let me pull out my WeatherTech thingy. Nice action, huh? And here we go. And now my tailgate is protected from goofball crap like that. Hopefully, anyway. We'll see when we travel, because a lot of times, you know, you're dealing with valet, and some places we go, some of the luxury places, you know, they want to unload your car, and well, anyway, here's the protective cover that I will use when I need it. Alright, so let me show you step one and where all the snap screws went into. So, step one, there are 3 elastic bands. Let's see, I'll reach in here. See these elastic bands? They go around the headrests on all 3 seats. That's step one. Alright, step two is to stuff this thing down in here between the head of the 2 seats that are laying flat and the 3 seats and the second door compartment. And you really want to tuck that in down far. You can see how far I have that tucked in. You want to tuck it in until your first screw is all the way down here on this little corner. I'll show that to you. Get my light. And there is the screw. You see it's a snap. There's a Phillips screw. And you screw it in, and now it's a snap receiver. Now the cutting, you know, they tell you to cut it so you can have access to your cargo net, hold down trays or whatever. Not too worried about it. Not too worried about accessing little spider compartment here. Little Spider-Man compartment. You'll see you still have access to it. So those are the first 2 screws, and then here's another one right in front of the seat belt. I don't know if you can see, that's where I originally put it. I'm sure I can hide that. It's easy enough to hide all that felt. Not a problem, I'll work on that. It's easy to hide. where I goofed up. See, I had it too low. It probably needs to go a little higher. Everything needs to go like right underneath the plastic. You screw into the carpet, not in the plastic. So how many? 1, 2, 3, and then the other screws are in the back. I'll show you those. Alright, and here are the other screws. So I said 1, 2, 3 up front, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're given 14 of these screws, which is a Phillips head screw that has this clip on the end for your snaps to hook into. And you see a snap right here. That's for the flap to hook into. The flap will snap up in here if you need to hold it up out of the way, if you don't want to just lay it flat on the bed. And that'll come in handy because after you load up all your luggage and everything, you know, you can't fold it underneath all that stuff you have stored here. Alright, so on the driver's side you have a long zipper compartment. Plenty of storage there. It's mostly flat, but it's netted in the back, and if you see anything, that's water from my WeatherTech. I washed it. So you have a long zipper compartment here, and you have a snap compartment here. Then you have access to the Spidey compartment, and the drink holder is kind of covered up. Same thing on the other side. Now, you know, you can, as you do this, I have moved these snaps 2 or 3 times as I showed earlier. You know, you can move them and get everything all tightened up and everything, which I actually did a couple of times. So, on the other side, you see you have an open netting area and then an open pocket area, and then a snapped closed area. And then if you have a trailer hitch, you can access it here. Then you have your hidden secret compartment there. And again, I'm not worried about cargo netting. That's where I put my cargo net. And you know, you can fiddle with this thing so that it gets all lined up. I mean, there was a lot of fiddling to locate it. I had to move these snaps 2 or 3 times. Because either it wouldn't snap in because I went too far, or, you know, just had to deal with it. Alright, and then you see this snap right here. That's for the bumper guard part of the protector to snap into place. There you go, and it covers up everything. Oh, lost focus. Fun, fun. Gosh, and I made so many videos, I don't know whether I said it or not, but what you can do with those zippers is you can unzip a zipper and then fold one seat down. Or you can unzip both zippers and fold all 3 seats down. So that's what that is for. You don't have to take that elastic band off of the headrests. So, and then I wish Volvo would take these 2 back seats out and make more cargo area, but hey, what do I know? They aren't paying me to do design work for them. Alright, so there is the cargo protective cover thingy. It's nice, actually. It's really nice. They have one that's 3 pieces of plastic that you lay one next to each other. I really do not like those at all. I mean, they are total trash. I did a video on those. So, okay, we are going to fold this back up. I'm going to get it nice and neat and put my WeatherTech back, but that'll be off camera. I'll just Formula 2. I said that correctly. Haven't been to France in a while. Alright, and there you have it. So it is really nice. 300 bucks. You really need to take your time to install it. I mean, I moved those screws around. I've got holes everywhere now. There's at least 3 or 4 of them I moved 3 or 4 times. So anyway, thank you for watching the video. Sorry it wasn't more instructional. Have a great day.